Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to register a school in the pybius.com website. So on the main page you go to register, you fill the school information. Important is the email of the admin, and he will use this email as a username for logging in the admin account. The admin's first name, so in this case admin first name as an example. Let's say last name is Jamal. School name is the school name. This school phone. This is the contact number. So you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever school number. The address, sample address, and the expected number of students in numbers. Let's say I'm expecting 200 students or 2000, and then you click on register. Once registered, there will be a note to tell that this is a demo account. If you want a full account, please go to the Contact Us page. And now I will receive an email on the email that I have registered for the admin with the password. So if I click here, email should show here, welcome to Pybius, with that temporary password that you can use for login. I'll copy this password and click login to the system. Once I go here, back again, I will log into my account using the same email that I have used. Then continue with the sample password. It's very recommended to change this password after you first log in. So I click login here, and now I'm on the settings page or the profile page of this school. It's a sample school, first name Jamal, etc. So if I go to settings here, I can paste the current password and I can change it to something that I would recall, and then I click save. Then I have changed my password. Thank you very much.